amount of potential that exists in this room is literally infinite.
I had one mission statement during my time at QACI, and that was to accept every opportunity that was offered to me creatively and to always do my best academically. That meant that I placed importance on developing life balance.
You'll be faced with decisions very difficult in your life, both in the immediate and distant future. So face each challenge as a learning experience and know that even if you didn't make the smartest choice at the time, you grew wiser from it.
It is important that you recognise your aspirations at QACI and within the IB are completely separate from anyone else's.
My biggest piece of advice is to try and enjoy what you do. Before I came to QACI, I knew nothing about film, but now it is one of my greatest passions.
Embrace all opportunities with open arms, create your own joyous path and appreciate the support of your fellow geese.
There were several times throughout my diploma that I felt overwhelmed and that I wouldn't make it through. My mum always reminded me that high school is not the end. I can tell you now that despite how unbelievable it might be and far away it seems, you have your whole life ahead of you after high school. But I want to give some genuine advice in regards to the IB that I hope you take. Get your IAs done early and put as much effort into them as you can. Don't purely rely on them when it comes to your exams though. For content-heavy subjects, keep your notes up to date, read ahead for lessons, and go over all content in revision time. Experiment and discover how you learn best.